Hello, this is Sheree for Just Nailed It, and it is SheModern Saturday. Sorry if you can hear an older video of mine playing in the background. This week I am using Jelly Pink Neon Water Paint. Hope you can see that. This is a beautiful, beautiful mix that SheModern came up with. I love their jellies. I put one coat on the nail. All I did, squirt some out on the palette, get a brush, paint some on, that was it. Let me silence this. Sorry about that. So I'll paint them on the nail. It will self-level out. I know it doesn't look like it's going to, but trust me, it does. And then you end up with a beautiful pink manicure. I used the neon pink. And this is the outcome. This is one coat. I think it turned out really beautiful. I am going to put on 3 of the nails SheModern blue gel to hold the decals on. Well, no, wait a minute. I should use the grip gel. Because this is what is made for the decals. You can use this to apply the decal. You can use it to layer the decals. So I'm going to paint a very thin coat on the nails. And then I'm going to cure these for 30 seconds. Let me plug my lamp in real quick. Ouch. Sorry about that. So we're going to stick those in for 30 seconds. For decals, these are what I'm using. I have bought 2 flip-flops, 2 feet walking, and I have got Sheree, my name, and a water decal. Tina had that made and sent to me like, oh geez, could have been over a year ago. So I thought I would use those today. And of course, some bling. Gotta have some bling. So let me pour some of these out. Get my nails. Whoops. To apply the decals, I'm using my Maniology Ice Cube Stamper. This is what I always use to apply the decals with. I always clean it freshly. Is that a word? Freshly? So first I'm going to apply my name. That's going to go down the thumbnail. Pick it up like you would, real easy, like dab it off on something lint-free. And I'm going to apply this down the middle of the nail. And I need my silicone tool. Smooth it out just because I think that is really cool. So we got one nail done. I think this curled on me. This one happened to curl on me, and I don't know if I'll be able to get it straightened back out. Oh, I can. Beautiful. Beautiful. I know I can't sing. I'm sorry. I shouldn't do that to you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, that looks too cute, doesn't it? Too cute. So, let me think here. How am I going to do this now? I don't mean to be thinking on your time. So we got my name down the thumbnail. ring finger, I got the 2 flip flops. I still have the 2 feet walking. Slide the backing off if it comes off with it. Not a big deal. Super, super easy. Where's my wet? Oh, okay. Oh, Nelly. Yep, these. Oh, boy. These did fold. You can't, once you put a decal down on the grip gel, there ain't no moving it. So unfortunately, my footprint is walking in the opposite direction of what it should be. Aww. I know these don't look right, but they're supposed to be walking down to the sandals. I don't know if you can see that good enough. Wipe that off. Alright, now we're going to add some bling. And some top coat. Today I am going to be using IGel Beauty's No Cleanse top coat. This is a very thick top coat. I don't know if I'm able to show you. The drip does take a while to come down, where most polishes it's like drip. This one takes a minute. So, wipe your brush off. Lightly go over the decal. Whoops. You do not want to smear nor smudge your decal. And you don't want to ground it either. So, be very careful. Be very careful. When applying one gem to the thumbnail, we apply to the ring finger. I'm not applying no gems to the ring finger. I just want to top coat these babies. These are so pretty. Love the decals on this neon pink jelly nail. Coat them completely. I think these turned out really, really pretty. Really pretty. I love the neon pink paint, the jelly paint, watercolor. These are really beautiful to work with. Really beautiful to work with. Way too much on my brush. You don't need a lot of this. Like I said, this is a thick top coat. Let me see. Whoops. Sorry, I need to put these where I can see them too. Yeah, I'm just going to put one at the top of each nail. I think that looks really cute, except for the ring finger, which has the decals on it. What do we think? I think that looks really pretty. So I'm going to pop this in the lamp for 60. Alrighty, we are back for a shot of the lamp. What do we think? What do we think? I think this looks pretty cute. cute and cool together. Cute? I don't know. These look pretty cool. I like the way the gems sparkle, just one on the cuticle area of each nail. What do you ladies think? Let me know your thoughts down below. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so now. And don't forget to click the bell. And then please click all. That way you get notified of all future videos that I upload. And you don't get lost in the shuffle somewhere. So, I'm going to clean my mess up. And call it a day. This is the end of our SheModern Saturday for this week. Something pretty simple and elegant and looks pretty cool. We've got my name, Cherie, across the nail. The 2 flip-flops and 2 walking feet, which are walking technically to the flip-flops. They just got kind of twisted there on the palette, so I apologize for that. I had them soaking probably just a little bit too long and they curled. So I'm sorry. Probably should have added more bling to this nail, but I like it how it is. I like ye a lot. Comment, subscribe, share, thumbs up, all the above. You know the routine. Keep an eye out for my giveaways. I still have my 900 giveaway going on. I'm at 898. I need 2 more subs, permanent subs, and then I will draw. I might let it run a little over 900 just to make sure nobody's going to unsubscribe. Well, have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.